Welcome to Newman's Customs. Got a 68 Ford Ranger here. Getting ready to do the old Crown Vic front end swap on. Got the bed removed and the front cap removed. Really nice little truck here. Debated for quite a while on what to do with it. I've had a Crown Vic front end sitting around for a few years now. Just waiting on the right donor to put it in. Hopefully this is the one. I like it. Hopefully you'll like it, and hopefully you'll follow along and watch as I do this build. I've got the tractor here. That's my mode of transportation to put it in the shop. But anyway, just want to give you a little quick look at the truck. Hopefully it's not just another one of those Crown Vic swap videos. Hopefully it'll be somewhat educational, entertaining, or whatever for the viewers. But anyway, I'd like for you to watch and subscribe. Please follow along. Not sure how long this particular project's going to take. They always take a little longer than you set out to do. But I've got the front end right there. Just located the new bolts. That's a chore. If you get a donor front end from anywheres, be sure to get the nuts and bolts, because you're looking at least $100 for 4 nuts and 4 bolts if you have to order them from one of the retailers, if they have them in stock. I'd bought the front end from a friend of mine several years ago, had the tubes from the frame. Did not do the backyard customs box plates. I ordered some off eBay. I'm pretty sure they're probably Chinese, but I cut the cylinders out of them. I am going to use the threaded tubes out of the Crown Vic. I've done welded 2 of those in. Stopped because I couldn't find any bolts. I got the bolts yesterday and going to be finishing up on that. But anyhow, I've got that done now. I'm going to start here in the next just little while. I'm going to try to not bore you to death, but I'm going to do through the same typical transformation everyone else does on their Crown Vic swap. I'd like to thank you for joining us. Please return, like, subscribe, and have a good day.